I don't know if you guys can hear me properly. There seems to be 12 people watching. Okay, 20, I think. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start doing live trades like this. I'm gonna start giving analysis like this. I'll be here. You can see me. You can talk to me. You can ask me questions in the comment section. Okay. Um, I'm just checking some things right now. And before I'm back, if you want to ask me some questions, ask me some questions. I'll be doing analysis on Bitcoin and some foreign exchange pairs. Hopefully you can hear me properly. I'll be right back. I forgot my mouse wasn't on. I haven't been how do I put it? Live streaming like this. Oh, let me see. Yes. So there are like 50 people here. Yes. Jordan Hendricks said it's been a minute. It's been a minute. Time to buy Bitcoin. Time to buy Bitcoin. That is the question on everyone's mind. Okay. Like I said, I don't use indicators except on foreign exchange indicators like the moving average. But we are looking at Bitcoin right now. Okay. Is it time to buy? All right. I was analyzing this also. This is one of the best times to buy. I'm not saying you should buy though, but I'll tell you why this is one of the best times to buy. And I'm not buying here too though, at least not now. I still need some more confirmation. Because, for example, all these coins, okay, look at their prices now. It would have been everyone's dream months ago. So if it was your dream months ago, it's not a bad time to buy. If you really are long term, because everybody likes to claim they are long term, but they see the Bitcoin dip a little bit and oh, suddenly they are worried. If it's long term, then you shouldn't be worried, you know. So let's move on. Yes. So these are the prices that I'm looking at for Bitcoin to break. Okay, these are the prices that I'm looking for. You see, the last target was 20K, even went below that. So the next target I'm expecting for Bitcoin, if it's going down, is 15K. Okay, it may spill into around 13K. Okay, but if it's going down, I expect it to go to around 15K. But now the prices to me that I would feel safe buying were around here. Okay, 21K, 23, around that 23K. Okay, let me just put it around the areas. Around these areas, basically. Okay, between 21K to about 24K. Okay, to me, that's not a bad early entry. If you're right, you make a lot of profits. If you're wrong, well, you don't lose a lot compared to how much you make in profits. Risk to reward ratio is one of the highest. But this is not how I trade. I put in more thought into it. I put in more thinking into it. And more decision. No, I'm not saying it's time to buy the dip yet. Okay, I'm not saying it's time to buy. Relax. Everybody needs to relax. This is what everyone does. People have been buying the dip since 50, 59K. I've been calling the bear market since 59K. Okay, and people have been buying the dip since then. Yeah, I actually thought it was gonna go up from here, at this point. But let me show you exactly the point I thought it was gonna. When it broke here. Okay, but here it tricked everyone. I still wasn't sure. Do you know what? Oh, I can't. This is for students. This is for students. It's things like this from my experience that I teach my students and show them why. It passed my tests, but why didn't I think it was going all out? You don't need indicators for all these things, just common sense, looking at the charts, and then it continues to drop. And this time I said it. If it drops, if it doesn't go above here, it's going to have a hard drop. Not even the usual slow drop, hard drop. Drop below 35K, hard, down to 30K. Stabilized a bit. Okay. It went up, but I posted this on my Insta. I still believe it's a sell because it had no momentum to get anywhere. People were still buying the dip around that. What do you call it? I'm not teaching you guys too much. People were still buying the dip around here. But who had money to buy? Who had lots of money? Let me just say money. Lots of money to buy the dip around. Who would? After the crash, 50% crash, who would? So just little things. Little things. So you have to, focus on what's actually going on the charts. You have to learn to stop using and relying on indicators. Like I said, if you have any peers you want me to work on, we're starting with crypto. If you have any peers you want me to work on, and you see this one is defying. So now it's showing signs that it wants to drop. You know, there's a reason why I didn't take my buys around here. There's a reason why. It's not time to. It's not time to. It's not time to buy. Relax. You can ask about any peer. So let's look at. Let's move on to foreign exchange. Where is it? And a lot of times I see a lot of people in foreign exchange say, "Oh, they show you amount of trades they've won." Using trading view charts. Okay. Let's say you simply just follow their thing. It's not all the trades you are going to use the same lot size on. It's not all the trades you are going to get early in on. Think about it. And what do you do if you are not entering with the same lot size all the time, or you are not entering exactly when the person giving you signals is entering? This is one of the problems why I have given signals. You know, you enter late. What if there's an issue? You don't know how to exit early. You know, you don't know what to do. Someone that's, even if I want to give hedging signals, you have to have experience, because some of you cannot just leave things to play out. You always want to touch it, you know, and it's because you don't have experience. You can't let your trade run. You want to talk about Euro USD? Let's look at Euro USD. Where is it? Where is it? Euro USD. Okay. What is the trend on Euro USD look like to you? I don't know if anyone can answer my questions. What the people outside, but most of the time they will not be able to give up the backed up reason why. Okay. For now, Euro USD is showing signs of bonds. Let's move this because we are looking at foreign exchange. Okay. From around here, okay, I would have started, longing Euro USD. Where I would buy, you would have to be a student to know, but I would have taken a buy. And that's what you watch from my videos. I'm not my first live stream like this. I'm not gonna start with trades. Okay, let's do some analysis first. This is how I like to do my things. Do some analysis first, then you might get some trades. All right. So Euro USD is long for me now. Some of you guys, when you would have seen this, you would have started selling because you are looking for reversal. You have placed your stop loss here. You know, the life of a retail trader. Let me tell you how they have placed their stop loss. They will have placed their stop loss. You know, they're always looking for good risk to reward ratio. Some of them say, "Oh, I wanted it to go down very well, so that I'll be sure it's a downside." And they place their stop loss. You know, in their mind, they still have good risk to reward ratio. The market will come, tear it into pieces. Okay, some of them say, okay, maybe it's a what's this other thing they call it? Price action. That's it. Maybe it's price action. You know, they will take another sell again. You know what's beautiful? What do you think is best for the market to play again? Maybe they've raised their stop loss. What do you or some of them raise their stop loss? Just different things. What do you think is best for the market to do? Climb up and tear that stop loss again. They will keep on wanting, because once they have an analysis, the average retail trader, they stick to that bias forever. In the market, you cannot stick to one bias. It just doesn't make sense because you are not in control. Do you understand? Or maybe you don't understand. That's all. So something like this. If it drops down again, if you know what I mean, I'll most likely buy. You buy while everyone is selling, and you sell while everyone is buying. It may not make sense when you enter, but it makes sense after. some of you guys, all you need to do, if you don't have a working strategy, if you have a strategy that is losing all the time, think about it. Next time you do your analysis, put the take profits where the stop loss is. And put the stop loss where the take profit is. Maybe you have more success. Yeah. But everyone is always trying to beat the market. People don't learn. Or it's hard for some people to learn. Some people don't learn because they have no one that has experience. Different reasons. So I'm long on Euro USD. If it goes short, I'll know where to hedge. And yes, I hedge. I don't use no sense stop loss. Stop loss eats your capital. Hedging saves you. Oh, and when I said I was long on Euro USD, I didn't say that, you should long Euro USD now, because some of you guys, you know, I say you know. So what other pairs do you want? What other pairs do you want? Check. So let me look at the possible trade. Nothing. There's nothing on Euro USD. So let's check Okay. You can take a risky trade. So let me do some things. I wouldn't take a trade like this. But I'll just say the possibility. There's the possibility. Eh, for people who how do I put it? For people who are using stop loss, you can try this if you want. I don't really care. It's just a possibility. I wouldn't really do this, during my stop loss days. You know. Okay. Okay. So that's possibilities. Yeah. No. So from here to here, I have this kind of trade. And there, you have this kind of trade. So this one will be about 1.76 risk to reward ratio. Mhm. And this is 2.75. Very nice to reward sorry, stop loss days. These are the kind of trades I would take. It's just calm. But when you do it the right way, you know, you don't have all these problems. And is this trading thing really that easy? But buy when an instrument is highly bullish and sell when some instrument is extremely bearish. It's easy, you know. Too many people just know the wrong things. They focus on the wrong things. I used to do it too, you know. But when you really, really want something, you stop telling yourself a lie. You know, you look at the chart for what it is. I had to, I just do some research on some of the things that you use. Type it on Google. Indicators can never ever predict the future. They can only ever predict what has happened in the past. When someone, it's just maths calculation. That's it. They put it in different ways, like moving averages, like Ichimoku, so that whoever likes this one will keep it. Whatever you like, you keep, but it's not, it can never help you predict the future. So I said, okay, if that can help you predict the future, then how? How can you? I started removing all the indicators, trust me, it was hard. Started removing all the indicators one by one, one by one, one by one. Trying to, before I knew it, I removed all the indicators. I think moving averages and pulling bands were the last thing you know, I removed everything. I started looking at the charts. First, I was using grids, but I realized that grids is not really accurate. It's actually, you know, it's guessing too. It's not defined to a point. So it's guessing. And this thing, I started realizing it's price. It's price. It's not some candlesticks. It's not some lines. It's not some. It's price. If you look on the right hand side, let's look on the right hand side. Everything you see here is price. 137.51. It's a price of something. Do you understand? You start to look at it very real and understand that it's not just some game. It's the currency of some little countries. In Europe, it's your currency. You know. So just that kind of thing. You go to an exchange office, even if you want to have your own experience, go to an exchange office for 1 month. Every day go there, study the prices. Go in the morning, go in the evening. I did that. I did all that. Not for days, not for weeks, not for months, for years. So when I say I know my value, you know, and I'm not really charging that much, honestly, compared to what you pay. So I've removed all my mistakes. So if I see you doing something, I don't even need to see you doing it. I just need to see your trading results, and I already know what you're doing. When someone has a fixed bias, let me just give you a hint. When someone has a fixed bias, every time they lose, you see them continue to. How they always lose is by continuing to go in one direction. So all you see is buy loss, buy loss, buy loss, buy loss, buy loss, or sell loss, sell loss. So that is a trader that has a problem with having a fixed bias. And I had all this too. I had to remove it from myself. I have 10 years experience. So if you are really with jokers who are not putting money on the line, who are just saying, oh, trading view charts, buy here, sell here, and you think you're going to learn something. These people, they you know, you learn from someone who's not, risking some money and then, and it's just charts. When it comes into the real gameplay, you are using different lot sizes. Fear comes, and when it doesn't go like the video showed, they don't tell you what to do after. But anyway, you know, and the market does the same thing over and over and over and over again, just in a different way. It's easy if you know what to do. You can learn it in a day if you come in with a fresh mindset. Apply it and watch it happen. You build confidence. Let me tell you how you build confidence. You build confidence when you are doing something and it's working. The more it works, the more confidence you get. There is no believing in trade. You buy this USD. No, I wouldn't buy something like this. It looks very good to an average retail trader. Why I wouldn't buy it. I would say it's a buy trend. You know, if I was using stop loss, well, I use hedging anyway. If I was using stop loss, these are the kind of trades I'll take. You know, it's a gamble. It's a good trade, but it's a gamble. I take good trades that are good trades. Do you understand? Not good trades that are gamble. Why do I need to do that? Tomorrow I can see another trade. I'm not chasing it. I hope you guys can hear me. Let me see. Okay, I needed to make my volume louder so you can hear me. Okay. I'll look at another pair in a few minutes. Just checking some things. Hello, Kabo. If you want me to check a pair and analyze it, you can put it in the comment section. Uh, I execute trades on many time frames, you know. It depends on why I'm executing the trade and what I'm executing the trade for, you know. And I tell this to my students, this is what I show you, what each time frame is for. I guess you guys didn't know that each time frame was for something. Or maybe you did know, who knows? Let me see. You just wanted to know what time frame I will analyze another pair very soon. We'll just check some things. see. Ah, okay. So, let's go back to Bitcoin. Let's see. Ooh, we're looking for the good for the Bitcoiners. You know, if this thing does not last above 20K, ooh, it's gonna be a crypto win. Gonna be a crypto win. You know, the bigger the price went, the harder it fell. Okay. Let's look at let's look at gold. I don't know, like yeah. Let's see. Gold. Gold is not for the day. I'm looking for something else. Maybe I should make another analysis during that section. What do you guys think? When the day is not down. Okay. Okay. I would still buy you Euro card if you went down. Well, let's see. I'm looking for here. 80 years, no. Let me see. I'll still sell. I'll still sell. Yeah. Oh, still sell. Yeah. Let me see. SDCHF. Ha. Well, cancel. But some dumb money traders would be looking for support around there. You know, dumb money traders. They were expected to go up here. They would have turned their stop losses to pieces. They would have had relief in their trade and then boom, boom, boom. What is, think about it. You always have to think what is best for the market to do. Go up like this. Make sure that they have relief in their stop loss. You place their stop loss they had. Those are the ones that think are smart that they didn't put their stop loss yet and they pulled it back a bit, or some of them didn't even stop loss. Oh, thank you. Then they enter more trades and you know they think it's going up a bit and then the market just fixed bias. You know, you have to think about what's best for the market to do if you were the market one way. But then again, sometimes they get lucky and it actually goes their way, you know, and then you increase their lot size and try it again. You know, everyone can get lucky in Forex once in a while. If you can't repeat the action, yes, that's another thing. Everyone gets lucky in Forex very easily, you know, so they always think they have a working system. If you can't repeat that action consistently and know it will work, and if it doesn't work, have an exit strategy. If you can't keep on repeating this over and over and you don't have a working system, let's face the fact. If you can't repeat it with confidence, the same exact thing, you don't have a working system. Well, why do you keep using it? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Maybe because you keep trading them. Maybe because you keep trading view. one of the best things about trading is the fact that you can do it anywhere. Right now, I could stand up and go to another country, and my source of income will not be tied to that job. You know, is it worth it? Is it worth it to learn how to trade the right way? Yes, it's in my opinion. I can walk around 12 p.m. and not 12 p.m. I can walk around 1 p.m. I can walk around 11 a.m. I can walk around 2 p.m. And on my phone, at home, do my analysis. And on my phone, wherever I am, just watching my trade. Let me open this so you can see. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, I'm trying to show you the live. Yeah, and you can see my trade. I don't know if you can see it on Bitcoin. Yeah. Where's this? There's this. Okay. So yeah, there we are down here. Okay. So and nice profits. You can see this. Well, okay. Here, profits locked. Half of the profits taken. So you know, you have to learn how to do trading the right way. Trading is interesting for you. You're still getting excited. That means you're still discovering strategies. Once you have a working system, trading gets boring because you keep on using that same system over and over and over again. And probably you built up that dopamine of always getting excited when you trade, you know. But where discipline comes in is when you keep on using your system, no matter what. You always have to go back to the system that kept on giving you. Yeah. Honestly, I don't really look at this Ethereum. Ethereum, uh, Ethereum is a pair that I made a lot of money from. Yeah, look at it. It's always good to know when to take profits. The sign of a trader, you know, that these are the things I can use to it. So, and being a trader is good, you know. if you have a good plan and money system and you actually, you know what you want to do, and you've tested it, not on demo, but actually live, you've tested it long term, then then you can run with it. No, no, no. Let's see. Let's go back to drop, baby, drop, baby, drop. I'm sure I'm like the opposite of all the Bitcoiners, all the Bitcoin people you met. Every time people have been seeing channels say, oh, you know, buy the dip, buy the dip. I think I was one of the only channels that was telling you to sell the dip, you know, sell the dip, sell the dip, sell the dip. I was the only one, and I was showing myself. But then again, very soon I'll start showing videos of hedging Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. Let's move on to the next stage. You know, Forex is good. Crypto can be better. I think so. You know, think about it. I have my software already made and prepared. Think about it. You can make money while in crypto. At least I know how to make money in crypto during a buy trend, during a bear trend. I know how. What makes us so successful in foreign exchange? Hedging. Because we don't lose our capital. We keep our capital. See, when you are growing your account, okay, if you are making money, losing money, making money, losing money, and you always have to be accurate, you know, your best, everything on top, this one, that one, you know, nobody stopping you. Right mindset, right this one. You put all your spray your perfume, you put everything in the right environment. If you have one bad trade, oof, and that bad trade, oof, now it's hitting the account, hitting the account, hitting the that's stop loss lifestyle. This is hedging lifestyle. You make your money, you lose a trade, but you hedge, you stay here. Okay? You make money, you lose a trade, but you hedge, you stay here. You are not losing your capital when you are hedging. You are not. Just common sense. The hedge funds trade hundreds of millions of dollars, billions of dollars. Not, them real money. You know this. I know this. We all know this. So if they are hedging, why are you listening to retail traders that are telling you to use stop loss? Why? Why? But people will do what people want to do. People gonna people, and then keep controlling. That's not working. So I know I haven't been streaming for a while. I've been having some sorting it out on my own, and it hasn't been giving me enough time on the channel. After a while, I'll be more online on the channel, streaming, live trades, and everything. I hope you guys are subscribing because there will be a giveaway of when I reach 15,000 subscribers. So let's see. my mic was on mute. My mic was on mute. If you want me to analyze any pair, let me know. Any questions about trading, let me know. Crypto and foreign exchange. I'll be doing some live trades here soon. Hmm. You see a lot of crazy things online. Yeah, but it's good. It's good. The internet is good. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. What trade was I looking at back then? Was it? Yeah. See, I wish I did this earlier. You know, because then there'll be, how do I put it? There'll be more trades. There'll be more open space for analysis. Basically, I'll do. Let me see. Yeah. I will do London session tomorrow. Okay, I will do London session tomorrow. After that, we'll start doing some trades, and you'll see my software in action also. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell, especially that notification bell. The people who are going to win the prize money when we reach 15,000 subscribers are the people who have their notification bells on. My mic was on mute. My mic was on mute. I'm not sleeping. Ask me a question and about a pair you want me to analyze. I wasn't sleeping. Ask me a question about a pair you want me to analyze, and I'll do the analysis, you know. Right now we're looking at USDJPY. I explained why I did all this. If you want to see, you can rewind. But if you want to check a specific pair, you know, the reason why I'm not really enthusiastic like that is because most of these pairs, they've already done their trades for the day. You know, I wish I had done this during London session, but you know, I chose, you know, this session. So we'll wait till London session tomorrow. I'll do that, and from there we'll start doing live trades. You can check my channel for other live trades. Um, so ask me a question about a pair, and we'll do the analysis on it. Crypto, foreign exchange, anyone. USDJPY, I'm looking at it long. Like I said, I did the analysis for this. You can just rewind, you know, but I'll just do a quick summary. I still see it going long. I wouldn't have entered a trade like this because usually I use stop loss. I don't use hedging. I've also explained that in this live stream. You can rewind to check. But if I was a stop loss trader, this is the kind of trade I would take. You know, a quick trade like this or a quick trade like this has good risk reward ratio. But you know, taking trades like this at the end of the day, it's a good gamble. It's not a good trade. It's a good gamble trade, basically. I don't use stop loss. You're from Indonesia. Nice to meet you. Trimo talk. And by the way, I'm doing a giveaway, $500 once we reach 15,000 subscribers. But you have to have your notification bell on. You know, maybe I'll increase the giveaway. Maybe, maybe. We'll see. But click the notification bells